So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick tutorial of Lead Code. Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick tutorial of GitHub where I'm going to show you how you can fix the error of 404 not found whenever you're accessing someone's repo. To make sure that this error will not happen, first understand the reason why it happens. It only happens when you're accessing the repo which is not set to be public or which is not shared with you. All you need to do is to ask the sender to make changes to the repository and make it public. To make your repo public, the sender can do is just simply go to the repo and go over the settings option and just scroll down until he or she will see this danger section and change the visibility to public if it is set to private. And once you do that, all your problems of error have been now fixed. I hope this video will be very helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such informative and quick tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.